Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make espresso powder. What do you use it for? For espresso after dinner in these cute little demi-tasse cups. Makes a nice after dinner drink or whenever you need a pick-me-up. I'm going to make coffee ice cream and it calls for espresso powder. Contrary to people's belief and recipes, do not use these cooked coffee grounds. Don't use cooked coffee grounds. It takes away the flavor. Get yourself some quality coffee. Pour it on some parchment paper on a sheet tray. Just a little bit. No measuring needed. Set your oven at 200 degrees. Bake it for 10 to 12 minutes until you smell the roasted coffee beans. You'll smell it. Each oven's different. Pour it into a coffee grinder. Now you can get these coffee grinders any department store, grocery stores. Pour the coffee grounds in there that have been baked, nice roasted flavor, and pulsate it. You'll know the consistency when it's like a powder, and then you can put it in your espresso maker. I have some already done. It's a very fine powder. Makes a great exfoliator for your skin after gardening. It should leave the stain on your hand. Then you know that it's a perfect espresso powder. So give it a try, and remember, don't use cooked coffee grounds. You want a nice roasted flavor, and in due time you won't have to buy espresso powder anymore. Thank you for watching.